Hello and welcome to this new video. In this video, I will show you how to make this ideal bed calculator website in just 20 minutes. Okay, this is the idealbedcalculator.in website. You can check in a mobile, laptop, or on your computer. Okay, first we will explore the website one by one pages, calculator, how it is working, and how much money you can make by this single website. I will also show you how many people are watching, how much traffic is coming on this website, the keyword value in the word. Okay, let's see. First we will explore the website, then we will check the calculator. This is a calculator. You can male or female, enter the age, height, and kg, weight, and pound also. So it is the content, the factors, benefits, tips, because the content is also important. If we make only the calculator, it will not rank. There are lots of websites are running the same calculator. Okay, but this website is totally SEO friendly website and also ranking on the Google. Check here, factor, effect, benefits, tips, everything. Heidelberg character versus VMA is a conclusion. You can also interlink your more other calculators website. Also, I have in last video I have shown the calculator. This is the WordPress website and this is running on the HTML. So HTML websites are very fast. WordPress also very fast, but compared to HTML little slow. But this is the website, the combination of 180 plus powerful calculators. Okay, so in this video I will show you only the ideal bed calculator, but if you want to watch a video how to make the calculators, multiple calculator in a single website, so you cannot depend on the single keyword. So that's why the website is very useful. But if you want to only a single domain, single keyword, this is also very important and very useful. Okay, that's why I have shown because I have linked the other websites on the home page. So that is called interlinking. It help to SEO. Oh, sorry. FAQs. You can check the FAQs. Also very responsive, attractive buttons. This is the total. You can check here. Okay. Now we will check the calculator. Home page. Enter your age. If your age is 35, 136, 76, and weight kg in pound. Weight should be 70.7. If your age is 25, if your height is 176, calculator in pound also 157.9. So that's it is working. It will also show you you are in range or not range. So if your weight is less than or beyond the range, it will show here. I will show you the pages. First we will go to the about section. This is the about section. Privacy pages, disclaimer pages. First, then we will go to the contact page. Then support sitemap. You can check the main pages here. Just we have shown the FAQs page. Okay, this type of tables also you will get on other pages, because I have generated more pages here. Ideal bed for men, because it will help us to rank on the Google, because a single website you cannot rank on the Google. It's a lot of competition in the market. So that's how you can make those kind of attractive tables. Ideal bed for the table, the name is for men. So here we will discuss for the men and mention the age and weight and the notes also. Also we will interlink. This is also for women. So we can create the several kind of pages here. Ideal weight by height. This I have created the many pages. So the pages are helping us to rank on the website, also giving the ranking, because what is the ideal bed chart. You will also find the ideal bed chart. So this content is very useful, so you can find out here. If somebody is getting everything on the one website, then it will rank automatically on the Google. Google will also promote the website. Here you can click, you will go to the calculator. Here you will click, you can go to the guide. Here you will click, you will go to the blog section. This is the FAQ section. Okay, So I told you how much traffic this website is getting, how much traffic this single keyword is getting on the Google. I will show you. Just copy. This is the Google keyword planner tool. You can check here. Okay. This I have already added idle bed calculator. This is idle bed calculator. The 60,500 idle bed calculator, and the 3 months the 50% is rising. Year of year is the 50% of rising, because this is that means it is showing the this is a trending keyword. An idle bed calculator will never die until the human will stay on this planet. Everybody will check the calculators. What is my idle bed? Everything. Or you can introduce multiple calculator on this website. Idle bed calculator, or the idle size calculator, anything. You can introduce on this website also. Edit new pages and edit the new calculator on this website. So don't worry. Best weight calculator. You can rank on those keywords. You can start creating the blog, or you can start creating the pages, articles, so that it will help you to rank on the Google, because this is a great opportunity. Weight calculator ideal, suggested weight calculator. You can create the pages and make the content. You can also check on the weight suggest. There are a lot of other calculator, body weight calculators, body weight height weight calculators, lot of different calculators. So that's why I was saying, because the difficulty is very less. Difficulty is very less, very low competition. So it is maximum chances to that you can make this website if you know the HTML. If you don't run HTML, I will show you how you can create that kind of website within the 20 or less than 20 minutes. I will give you a link in the description where you can download the same website template. Same template you will get through the description link. You can buy the template from the description. Before that, you know where you need to host. The Hostinger is the best platform. I'm using the Hostinger service since long time, and this is giving the fantastic and the high speed security email system, domain, free domain they are giving. This is the Hostinger is incredible throughout the world. Best service provider I have seen in my life. I have used multiple service providers, but once I got the Hostinger, I'm using Hostinger since many years. This is the Hostinger plan. Once you come here, choose the maximum, because once you choose the 24 year, choose always maximum, 48 years, 72 years, whatever value you find maximum, choose the maximum, so that because your website will work till your life. This is the idle weight calculator. It will not die. This is the evergreen business, and there are many ways you can make money. First is the Google AdSense, second is the sponsors. Once your website start getting, you will get the approval through the Google AdSense and sponsorships, affiliate marketing. You can promote your own product, you can promote your own calculator, you can promote your Amazon affiliate, you can promote the different other affiliate programs on that, because the traffic is made main important. Okay. So I was saying the Hostinger. Purchase the Hostinger plan, choose any plan. If you want to promote here the 100 website, if you plan, otherwise you can choose this plan, the 50 websites. Or you will also get the one free domain. Also you will get the SSL certificate, CDN, fast loading, everything. WordPress website builder, email marketing for 1 year. All those things, whatever you are looking, security, everything on the Hostinger. I have given the link in the description. If you use my link, you will get that direct 83% off through my link. That means you are paying out of 100 rupees only, out of $100 only the $17. It is very affordable, because you will get directly the 83% off on the Hostinger services. Nowadays, website is very important. Website is the key that will open the door that is going towards the success. Always mind. Whatever you have need to show to the world. Otherwise, if your website you don't want to, if your idea you don't able to create your idea in the reality, your idea will be idea. It is nothing. Once you are able to create your idea into reality, that is the current business. So that's why first purchase the Hostinger, then come to my YouTube description link, then come to the another ideal weight calculator template. I will show you how you can upload, because after uploading your website you need to change the content. You can drop me a message that, sir, I have purchased the hosting, I have purchased the template, I need to guide. Then me and my team will respond you as soon as possible and they will guide you. Okay, this is the, I will show you domain here. This is the temporary domain the hostinger is giving you, because once you will open the domain it will show like this, because there I have deleted the file. So once you will get the my file, just open here, go to open the file and go to public HTML. I have opened a file. You can directly upload here. Click here, upload. You can download here. So go to upload here. Also, you can download directly, upload directly. So I have opened. Need to upload here. I will show you just because the size is 2.96. You will get under 2 MB or 3 MB. It is very fast. That's why I love the HTML, because before that I was also using the WordPress. I learned from the WordPress, then I slowly learned from the HTML, CSS, Java. I have creating now the HTML websites, and I love that. But I also love the WordPress websites. Just abstract. The name is randomly you can use. Just delete the file. If you are confusing, watch the videos again and again. Either you can save it, either you can watch slowly, or either you can watch 2-3 times. Just delete the file, because this process is very important. Open the Wacom file also there. Just go to the first public HTML, select all. Also you can move it, also you can copy or move, direct move. Click here. No, you need to cancel, move, click here, go to public HTML, click again, go to public HTML, here view, because we were selecting the different. Go to, I will show you again, because this method is really difficult. If you don't know, you are getting confused, you have file, you can delete it, again you can install. Go to move section, copy it, leave the both bottom. First click on first, again click, because those bottom files are in the same folder, so we need to choose the other. This is the main folder, public HTML. Go to public HTML, delete this folder. Other you can drop me a message, sir, I have downloaded and uploaded, I'm getting confused, I'm getting nervous, whatever. If you are not comfortable, just drop me a message, me and my team will help you directly. Okay, just click here, refresh the page. Same kind of websites you will get here. Same kind of, check the domain. This is a temporary domain, this is the main domain. Same kind of websites, quick, very fast. Right. Okay, so you will get the same kind of website. If I remove the files from the public HTML, you will get the what was the, just open the, you will show the 403. That means the file is missing. Okay, I will show you again so that you will not get confused. Go to public HTML, upload the file, extract, name is A, because AAA is so that it is easy to find out. You can use any name. The backup file is there, no problem. Just select all, select A and copy to move. Just move. You can use this here also, move, but you can use here. Leave bottom file two folders, leave it, because the bottom 2 folders coming under the folder we have created. Go to first one, it will be public HTML. That is this one. This is the public HTML. So that is that folder, main folder. Move. Go to delete this. because this folder is empty. I will show you. This is empty folder because we have moved our files there. Go to move here. If you will not delete, it is okay, but you need to delete it. Just refresh. It is working. So it is very easy to create that kind of website. But after creating the website, you just need to change the content. If you are familiar with HTML, it is good. If you don't know HTML, it's no problem. Me and my team will help you. Just drop me a message. We will guide you how to do this. Otherwise, we will do and we will take some charges. But your website will be lifetime working. It will give you, if you got the domain, great domain, and if you have got the best way to promote your website, it is best thing that you need to start this business. Come out and leave your comfort zone and start something good that will impact your career, that impact your future, that will change your bank balance. Because those websites are a one-time websites. After that, you don't need to update, or just like your WordPress, you don't need to update, because HTML websites will run years and years and years. You just need to upload the new content. Nothing. You don't need to update the theme, plugin, nothing. There is nothing. This is coding only. So you don't need to do anything. Okay. This is a fantastic business, and you can check here the traffic. If you are able to get only the 10-20% traffic monthly, this will be incredible thing, and that will be change your life. It's a generational business, not a single generation business. Okay, so just drop me a message and I will help you and help you. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and good luck for your future.